Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create this embossed text effect. Let's open a new document, get rid of the stroke and change the fill to any color you like. Now select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle to cover the artboard. Let's lock this layer to prevent it from shifting. You can either press the Ctrl and number 2 keys on your keyboard, or open the sublayers in layer 1 and lock it. Next, switch to the type tool and type anything you like. Resize it, adjust the position and change the style to bold. Let's disable the fill. Now open the Appearance panel. If you can't see it, go to Window and select Appearance and add a new fill. To do this, click on the second icon from the bottom left corner. Change the color of this fill to light gray. Those will be the highlights. Click on the opacity to open the transparency panel and change the blending mode to screen. Make sure the fill is selected, then go to Effect, Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. Check the preview box to see what we are doing and change the radius to 2 pixels. You can always come back to this panel and adjust it later. Next, we'll create shadows. Let's duplicate the selected layer by dragging it to the second icon from the bottom right. With the top fill layer still selected, change the color to a darker shade of gray. Now open its transparency panel and change the blending mode to multiply. Make sure the top fill layer is selected, then go to Effect, Distort and Transform and choose Transform. Check the preview box and change the horizontal and vertical move values to 4 pixels. Make sure the top fill layer is selected and let's add one more fill. Just click on the Add New Fill icon. Now change this fill color to the same color as the background. Select the bottom fill layer, then go to Effect, Distort and Transform and choose Transform. Now change the move values to -2. Next, I will show you how you can save this effect for future use. First, open the Graphic Styles window. If you can't see it, go to Window and select Graphic Styles. Select the text, drag it into this window, and here is your new graphic style. Let's close the window and delete everything. Now type whatever you wish. Change the font if desired. Recenter it on the page. Make sure your word is selected and then open the Graphic Styles panel. Now click on the new graphic style we've just created. You can apply the same style to any shape you create. And of course, your text and shapes are fully editable. To make any adjustments, first select the desired object and type something different, for example. Or with the text selected, open the Appearance panel and you can adjust the shadow's color or the depth. If you wish, you can change the background color as well. First, unlock the background layer and make sure it is selected. Now copy the new color's values. Select the text. Open the Appearance panel. Select the top fill and change the color to the same background color. Now open the Graphic Styles panel and add this style to it. Select all the other shapes and apply the same graphic style. Thanks for watching, bye bye.